Hi, it's Mr. V, and we're looking at Illustrative Mathematics Geometry, section 1.11, I think it is. And this is dealing with rigid transformations, specifically the reflection. And this woman, this is a cool down problem. The Lynn tried to reflect it, and she didn't make it because these are not congruent figures. They're supposed to be congruent if you reflect it. I think that one thing that she understands is that she has an axis of symmetry. When she drew the circle, though, I don't know that that's very helpful for reflection. To do reflection, I will draw this triangle. I'm going to use my construction tool, my polygon tool, and do the construction here. To do the reflection, I need to be perpendicular to this axis of symmetry, and then I need to be the same distance from the axis of symmetry. So she put her center here, and really it should be between the 2 points. So let me show you how I do this. I'm going to first of all draw a perpendicular line perpendicular to this point and this line, perpendicular to this point and this line, and perpendicular to this point and this line. Now, how far across this axis of symmetry do I need to go to get to A? I need to go the same distance. So I'm going to use a circle tool and show you how this is done. I'll go from here to A, and that's how far I should go. So I'll put the point there. How far do I go across this line to get to C prime? I'm going to go the same distance. Again, I'm going to use the circle tool. I'll start at the middle, make my circle, start at the middle, make my circle, and that's how far I need to go. I'll put a point there. And the same thing for point B. I need to go the same distance across the circle. And I'm going to measure that distance, not using a ruler, but using the geometric tool of a compass. Compass is for measuring distances. Notice if I go from B along this circle up to this point, that'll be the same distance. And now when I do this construction here, I get these 3 points. Of course, in GeoGebra, it's pretty easy. I could also use the reflection tool, reflect about a line. I take my polygon and I reflect it about a line, and there it is. So either way you get the reflection. It's got to be perpendicular to the axis of symmetry and the same distance across the axis of symmetry. I think she understood that it's supposed to be the same distance, but she didn't realize that this point that she used as her center has to be the point where these two are going to be perpendicular at that center. So I have 1, 2, 3 centers. She used 1. Good luck and success.